So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to convert notes to pages on the Notes app. So if I just wanted to name this convert to pages, I'll just go ahead and I'll copy this like a bunch of times so it's a little easier for you guys to see. There you go. This is my masterpiece. Now, if you wanted to convert this to pages, it's very simple. Have your note selected, go to the top right, press on this icon right here, and then scroll down to where it says open in pages. So go ahead and select that once you want to do it. It'll then automatically open up a pages document for exactly what you wrote. So in this case, I have my mismatch right here where it's converting it to pages. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to convert notes to pages on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helped.